Hello everyone, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a super simple, easy recipe. I'm going to make salad, okay? Salad, everybody makes salad, but this is not just salad. This is the simplest salad you could make, but the most delicious because the ingredients are so simple, the dressing is so simple, and it really goes well with all your meals. This is my mother's salad, so I'm gonna call it Nonna Iolanda's salad. Let's get started. We have romaine lettuce, two small bunches and a larger one. I have a fennel, otherwise known as anise, finocchio in Italian. And then I have radishes. I've purchased all organic, and I also have a bunch of arugula. During the summer months, I have the arugula growing wild in my garden. Now, this is a salad, and this is the actual dressing for the salad. You're going to be using half a lemon, extra virgin olive oil, and sea salt. That is it. I'm going to start by cutting the end off and really get to the middle of it because that's the easiest to cut. Usually what I do is just cut it once, twice, and then make small pieces. Okay. Now, for the larger pieces that the stem is very large, what I do is I just cut the outside like this. Okay. And then just layer it all on top of each other and cut in small pieces. I'm going to go ahead and cut them all and be back in a few moments. The salad is done. I'm going to add my arugula in the cold water, and I'm going to get started with the radishes. Okay, you're just going to remove the top and the bottom. Okay, I have a bowl of cold water, and I'm just going to slice the radishes in. I'm not going to mix them in the salad until I'm ready to serve the salad or put the dressing right before. Now it's time to cut the fennel. First thing, I remove the base. Then this is a little fennel baby. I usually eat that, but this one doesn't look so good. Then you cut the top. This is very it's too rough of a part to eat, so you really want to get to the heart of the fennel. We now reached the tender part of the fennel, and here's the fennel baby. Now this one I'm going to eat, okay? I'm going to put the fennel in cold water and cut it up right before I'm about to serve the salad. Salad has been washed and not put through the spinner, and I'm going to put the amount I want right now in the plate. I'm going to quarter my fennel and just slice it inside. Put the fennel in. The radishes are going in. Okay. Now I will start with my extra virgin olive oil and my lemon. Let me see in there. Not too much lemon because you just want it to give flavor, not be so overpowering where it's so strong where you cannot eat it. A little bit of the salt. Now this is really a good stir. Give it a good stir. And now it's ready to be eaten. The salad is ready, and now I'm going to taste it. Perfect balance of olive oil, lemon, and salt, and the deliciousness of the freshness of the salad. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe. Stay healthy, be safe, and until next time, good night.